As you've noticed, we have started our descent into Kathmandu. Latest weather at Kathmandu is visibility of 7 kilometers. Clear skies with surface temperature of 27 degrees Celsius. We expect a very light delay to Kathmandu. As per the ATC, we expect our touchdown in Kathmandu at about 30 minutes past 12 o'clock local Kathmandu time, which is still ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. I'm sure Naveen and his wonderful crew have taken very good care of you. Thanks for choosing Getaways and have a pleasant stay in Kathmandu.
देवी सज्जनों, कुछ ही समय बाद हम काठमांडू में उतरेंगे। विमान के उतरने की तैयारी के लिए कृपया सामान कैबिन के सामान कक्ष में या सामने वाली कुर्सी के नीचे रखें। टेबल बंद कर लें। और खिड़की के पर्दे को खुली स्थिति में रखें। धन्यवाद। Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while from now, we'll be landing into Kathmandu. Please return to your seats, ensure cabin baggage is stowed, seat back upright, clear table closed, and seatbelt fastened. Please switch off all electronic devices for landing. Thank you.